Hello, welcome to our electrical YouTube channel. Previous session we see the property and application of copper and aluminium. Okay, this is a remaining conducting material and its property we see in this video. Let's start our topic. Our next conducting material is tungsten. First we see the property of tungsten. Basically, tungsten is grayish in color and metallic in form. Electrical property of tungsten. Basically, the resistivity is about twice that of aluminium. That means its conductivity is low. Next, mechanical property of tungsten. High tensile strength in its thinnest form. Low resistance to corrosion. That means mostly the oxidation process is forming the tungsten. It oxides very quickly in the presence of oxygen because it has low resistance to corrosion. That's why. Rarely work up to 2000 degrees Celsius in atmosphere of an inert gas like nitrogen, argon, or in a vacuum. Thermal property of tungsten. The melting point is 3300 degrees Celsius. It has highest melting point. The application, next we see the application of tungsten. It used for making glass to metal seal. Next, it is used for making filament of electric lamp as a heater in the electron tubes. It is used in thermonic walls, radars, grid electronic walls, sparking and contact point. Used for vibrator. Next, it also used in battery ignition system, X-ray tubes. It is used in high temperature application like as light bulb, cathode ray tubes and vacuum tubes as a filament heating element because the tungsten has high melting point. That means its melting point is 3300 degrees Celsius. That's why tungsten is used in high temperature applications or appliances. Next, we see the next conducting material, that means brass. First, we see the property of brass. It is an alloy of 60% copper and 40% zinc. It is made up of copper and zinc. First, we see the electrical properties of brass. It has low conductivity. That means it has highest resistivity. Its resistivity is 7.5 micro ohm centimeter at 20 degrees Celsius. Next, mechanical property of brass. High tensile strength, high resistance to corrosion. That means in which the oxidation process is very slow. It can be welded and soldered easily. It is cheaper than copper because it is made up from copper as well as zinc. That's why its cost is very low, or it is cheaper than copper. Its specific gravity is 3.3. Thermal property of brass is its melting point is 890 degree Celsius. Next, we see the application of brass. It is used for making fan blades, fan gauges, motor bearing. It is widely used as manufacture of electric apparatus and current carrying instrument. It is used for fuse holder, lamp holder, switches, knife switch, cap of holes, tubes, lamps, socket of outlets, sliding contact for starter and rheostat. Okay. It is used for resistance welding. Our next conducting material is bronze. It is an alloy of copper and tin. It containing copper as well as 0.8% cadmium and 0.6% tin. Its electrical property, first we see electrical property of bronze. Good conductor of electricity as compared to the brass. 50 to 80% conductivity as compared to the copper. Next, mechanical property of bronze. It resists corrosion better than brass. High mechanical strength, it has high mechanical strength. Thermal property of bronze. Good conductor of heat. It is a good conductor of heat. Next, we see the application of bronze. It is used for making contact wires, commutator segments. It also used as heating element. It used for making sliding contact, current carrying spring, brush holder, knife switch blades, sliding contact and parts exposed to salty water or seawater. It is used for aerial wire and telephones parts. Okay.